FatRank just revealed the top AI visibility monitoring tools creators need right now. If you're tracking rankings, backlinks, or SEO performance, this rank list will save you months of testing. FatRank surveyed hundreds of creators and freelancers to find the best AI visibility tools. These tools monitor your online presence, track keyword rankings, and analyze competitor strategies. We're covering their top picks so you skip the guesswork. Whether you're managing client websites or your own brand, this saves you serious time and money. Number 1, Semrush AI excels at keyword tracking and content optimization. Number 2, Ahrefs offers unbeatable backlink analysis with AI insights. Number 3, C-Ranking combines affordability with powerful rank tracking. So as you see, ranking combines. Each tool integrates AD to automate reporting and identify growth opportunities instantly. Pick based on your budget and specific needs. Most offer free trials. Ask yourself 3 questions: what metrics matter most, rankings, backlinks, or content performance? What's your budget? Do you need team collaboration features? Test the free trials first. Most creators start with one tool and expand their stack as they scale. The best tool is the one you'll actually use consistently for your growth. Set up automated weekly reports to track progress without manual work. Use IA-generated insights to adjust your strategy monthly. Connect your tools to Zapier for seamless workflow automation. Start with competitor analysis to find quick wins. Wiggle when Keynes, Donegan, or Ling first abused. Track metrics that directly impact your business goals, not vanity numbers. Drop a comment telling us which tool you're testing first. Subscribe for more AI tool reviews that actually save you time and money.